Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome to episode 1 of my machine learning journey. So, um, you know, I the reason I'm starting this journey vlogging thing is really because I kind of just want to document my own stuff. I kind of want to be good at something, and then review my process. Because 3 months ago, when I was building my own website, I didn't know anything. And I had nothing to start, but then I was able to get a full-blown website that was actually looking hella professional out. But then I never documented anything, right? I was just working, grinding like 6 hours a day. So I missed the opportunity to document, but I really would have liked to look back on my process. So yeah, so I'm starting this documentation then to actually be able to look back on my process. And for my viewers right here, I don't know what this value is going to bring to you can maybe see from a different perspective. This series might potentially eliminate one of your fucking excuses, right? Because machine learning was thought to be having a really high barrier of entry, but it's all mental. If you really work through it, you realize that knowing how to use Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, whatever your library is probably way more helpful than knowing the math behind it. It's debatable, but application-wise, that is probably more helpful. So let me just get it started. I'm super pumped right now. Kind of want to introduce my background and how far I am in machine learning right now, so I can just give you guys all an idea and also give me myself an idea. So I just completed this course called DeepLearning.ai, and previous to that, before that, I completed also a Coursera course, but that one was more mathematically oriented. Really, I don't think so. This deep learning course, the AI course, consists of 5 courses, and I really only remember the course 5, the course 4. Yeah, those 2 really. And course 1 to course 3, which is actually the practical part, which is tuning your parameters. I don't really remember much. But yeah, so I've done a few cool applications now in the Coursera thing. So they allow you to go into their notebook, Jupyter Notebook Hub, and just straight up have a lot of pseudocode written for you, so you can just do stuff, right? Do cool stuff. For example, with this singular course right here, this sequence model, which is course number 5 in the entire course. We made a little app where you can kind of make jazz music, make a single noted jazz music, and I thought that was really cool. But now, of course, if I want to really make my own applications, I have to not rely on a hub, right? And here's the difficult part: I have to display it. So maybe I have to get into learning about making GUIs or making websites. Of course, I know a big part of making websites right now, and I guess since machine learning a lot of times is on Python, I guess I can use Django or Flask to make that machine learning code load on a web page. And but this video though, I think I'll just be choosing the next big project I am going to be working on, and I'll just do research and stuff on it. So yeah, see you guys in a second. So actually after thinking about this, I don't think I want to start off a project using other people's GitHub. So just copy and paste in GitHub, because I tend to, when I see the project I want to do having a GitHub, straight up all the coding, I tend to not study the code and I just do it. And I just copy and paste it. And it's not really a good learning process, and I'm not making anything new. So I think what I'm gonna do is to take something that I made in the Coursera course to the next level. So I'm gonna look through what kind of projects I made, and then maybe select one from here. Okay, so here's a selection I have to make. These projects actually I just completed them today. So this project that you see here, one is basically like Google Translate, and the other one is this thing here. Alright. I don't know if you can see my Alexa. Yeah. So trigger word detection is basically Alexa. So I'm kind of having a brief. So if I were to build a neural machine translation with a teaching program, which is basically Google Translate, that GUI is probably going to be pretty easy. If I were to build a trigger word detection, I can imagine building a little GUI, and then I can start recording, and when I press start recording, every time I say the trigger word, the screen is going to light up or something, like on the computer. Because of course I'm not going to build it into a hardware. That would be way too hard for my current level. So I'm not going to do a lot of further considerations. I think the Google Translator part is probably easier, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to try to make this into a GUI. So that's it for this video, selecting my project. So I'll see you on the next one, and I'm going to be researching building my actual GUI and making this neural machine translation. By the way, the end product of this, I think I do have it.
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the hills.
So basically in machine learning we have these RNNs, and these are good at capturing sequences. So for example, a sentence will be a sequence, and because the first word kind of results in the second word results in the third word, so there's kind of this thing going down as the timestamp increases. That's how we call it technically. So I think something happened here. So this one wasn't an actual machine learning translation. This one was translating a word like this, a human readable date, to a machine learning readable date. So like that. But we're not using. So this can be done really mechanically, right? Because we can just say, oh, if we see 3 here, then we add it here. But you know, Coursera, they thought of something else, so they wanted to use machine learning to tackle this problem, which is definitely not necessary, and it's going to perform a lot worse, but they decided to do it. Of course, this is too simple for my needs, so I gotta actually build a full-blown translator. Yeah. But basically, the idea is still the same. We plug in a part of the whole sentence at each timestamp, and then we output a Y, and the Y will be our actual output, and then the actual output is going to be fed into the next input, and then that whole input along with the previous state is going to output a second result, and that's why we have RNNs, and because the sequence matters. So the first one, the second one matters. Alright, so yeah, so my vision is a little bit more narrow now, and I think I know what I'm going to do. So see you guys on the next one.